Welcome to our new educational channel, where we explore fascinating topics that shape our world. Today, we're diving into the captivating evolution of computers. From humble beginnings to the powerful devices we rely on today, computers have transformed the way we live, work, and connect with each other. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Before we dive into the evolution of computers, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. Our journey begins in the early 1800s with the development of mechanical computing devices such as Charles Babbage's analytical engine. These machines were primarily used for mathematical calculations and laid the foundation for future advancements in computing. Fast forward to the mid-20th century, where we witnessed the rise of vacuum tube technology. Vacuum tubes allowed for faster processing speeds and the development of the world's first general-purpose electronic computer, known as ENIAC. Although immense in size and power consumption, ENIAC was a groundbreaking innovation. The next major milestone came with the invention of the integrated circuit in the late 1950s. This revolutionary technology allowed for the miniaturization of electronic components and paved the way for the development of smaller, more powerful computers. The integrated circuit formed the building blocks for microprocessors that would eventually revolutionize the industry. In the 1970s, the world witnessed the birth of the personal computer. Companies like Apple and Microsoft played significant roles in bringing computing power to individuals. The introduction of user-friendly interfaces, such as the Graphical User Interface, GUI, made computers more accessible to the general public. The iconic Macintosh and IBM PC are just a couple of examples of the personal computers that ignited a computing revolution. The 1990s saw the advent of the Internet and the World Wide Web, changing the way we communicate and access information forever. Tim Berners-Lee's creation of the web made it possible to connect computers worldwide and opened up a whole new realm of possibilities. This era also marked the rise of search engines and the exponential growth of online platforms. As we entered the new millennium, mobile computing became a dominant force. The evolution of mobile phones into smartphones revolutionized the way we interact with computers. Today's smartphones have the processing power and capabilities that rival some desktop computers from the past. They have become an essential tool in our daily lives. Now, let's fast forward to the present day, where we're witnessing incredible advancements in artificial intelligence and quantum computing. These fields are pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was possible. AI is transforming industries, from healthcare to transportation, while quantum computers hold the potential to solve complex problems at an unprecedented speed. And there you have it, the remarkable evolution of computers. From the early mechanical devices to the powerful machines we have today, computers have come a long way. They continue to shape our world, enabling innovation, connecting people, and driving progress. We hope you enjoyed this journey through time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching.